Tom, wake up. Get up now.
Yes, Mom, I'm getting up.
Yes, Mom, I'm up.
Good. I'll bring breakfast.
Okay, Mom.
A mother's effort makes the whole home peaceful and strong. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Dad.
Eat quickly, please. I am late today.
Please eat first.
I want bread.
Oh no!
What happened?
Oh no. What just happened?
Is everyone okay? No one is hurt, right? Thank God nothing serious happened. I'm already too late today. What a bad start to the day.
Where's my homework? I cannot find it.
Don't panic, Tom. We will find it. Just stay calm and look slowly. It will be here somewhere.
I found my homework. I was searching everywhere for it. This is a very important assignment for me.
Oops! Please be careful.
Let me clean this quickly. Everything is getting messy today.
I'm already very late. Remember, rushing in panic makes things worse. Calm work is always better. Oh no. Where are my keys? I don't know where they've gone now. Everything is getting delayed. I can't find my keys. I'm already very late.
Check the shelf quickly.
I think these are Dad's office keys. Let me go and tell him I found his keys. Here are your keys, Dad.
Yes, these are my keys. Thank you, my son. I was in too much of a hurry.
Please stop! Wait! Oh no, I missed the bus. Oh no, they left me behind. Ooh, if I had left on time, I wouldn't have missed the bus. Not being on time causes problems like this. We should always value time, because it saves us from trouble.
Don't be upset, Tom. I am here with you. Never worry. When your mother is with you, everything will be fine.
Mom, today is a very bad day for me.
Tom, bad days come to everyone, but they don't stay forever.
Today is a very bad day for me.
Tom, bad days come to everyone. Real strength is to face hard times with courage and keep moving forward.
Pretty picture! I'm drawing a beautiful home full of colors.
Oh no, what have you done, my child? This isn't a place for drawing. Why did you do this? Oh dear, what have you done, my child? Now what will I tell your father about this? Oh, it's Tom's father calling. Oh no. What happened now? Is there an emergency?
I forgot my lunch. Can you bring it? Please bring it to the office.
Okay, I will prepare it and bring it right away.
Mom, what are you doing?
I'm packing lunch for your father because he forgot it at home.
Mom, I'm so tired. Where's Dad's office?
Don't worry, dear. We're almost there, just a little more.
Wow. My daughter brought my lunch for me today. I'm proud of you, my good daughter. You really care about me.
Please don't forget your lunch next time. Our daughter got very tired today just because of this.
You both look very tired today.
Yes, it has been a long day, and there is still so much work waiting at home.
Today has been such a bad day. I didn't get good results. And I even forgot my test. Good afternoon, Mom. I'm home. Today was a tough day, but I'm back.
Mom, are you okay? Is everything fine?
I'm okay, son. Just a little headache. Don't worry, I'll be fine soon, buddy.
Mom has been doing all the housework alone. We should all help her, so she doesn't carry everything by herself.
Mom, please rest now. I will handle the cleaning. From now on, I will help you every day with the housework. Mom has a lot of rights over us. She works all day and gets tired doing house chores. We should also try to fulfill her rights and help her as much as we can. We should help Mom and Dad so they don't feel so stressed. Yes, let's work together and make things easier for them.
What happened here? Everyone looks so tired? Is everything okay, or did something happen today?
Dad, today was really a bad day. Everything kept going wrong and Mom is really tired.
It's okay, Tom. We're here for each other. My dear wife, you have great rights over me. It is my duty to help you with the housework.
What are you doing? You don't have to do this. Thank you so much. You really care about me. I'm one of those lucky wives whose husband always stands by her in difficult times.
Today I'll serve my family a special dish I made myself. Taste it first, then tell me what makes it unique.
It smells amazing. Wow, Dad.
Tastes perfect.
Wow, amazing taste today. Who cooked this fish fry and creamy white chicken?
From today, a new chef has made dinner. Taste it and tell us how this food was prepared.
That is true. Family helps family. Never forget, small help at home builds a strong heart.
Now I feel happy. This home feels complete again. When a family stays united, even hard days feel easy.
When children do their small tasks themselves, it makes home easier for parents.
Helping at home makes things easier for mother, and it is our duty to support her by doing small tasks.
That's so thoughtful, Tom. Thank you.
Well said, son. Life is full of problems. They keep coming again and again. But we must face them together, with strength and unity. If you enjoy interesting English story videos, please like our channel.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.